What's up guys? In today's video we're going to be working on the El Camino again, and it's going to be about a few different things, so let's get to it. So we are going to start by removing the OEM air filter that is currently on the vehicle by just unscrewing right here. Just like so, that takes it off. Normally there's a washer that's going to be on there, but I don't have a washer there. Then normally I believe there is going to be a type of piping that's going to connect from your exhaust to this auto thermac. But when I removed the air filter, I realized that's not even there. So when you take this off, there's also another pipe right there that's loose. So I'm just going to pull that out just like so. We're going to lift this thing up. Let me show you right now. There's supposed to be a pipe from right here that connects down to a heat shield in your exhaust down there. I don't have one though, so yeah, all that hot exhaust is what's causing these to melt. Now, you can see that there's like this styrofoam padding on all these hoses. I'm actually going to be removing all this as well in the video. So let's get this OEM filter out, just like so. Got a brand new K&N filter. Now, this doesn't fit. Sorry, dog's barking. This doesn't fit on the carburetor. Let me show you right here. Have the air box. Doesn't fit. It hits the surrounding components. It doesn't fit because this is a low profile air filter. So what I did was I purchased a 1-inch spacer that's going to fit between the carburetor and the filter. So my neighbor's dogs are barking. I'm sorry about that. But I went to O'Reilly's and I picked up this 1-inch spacer right here. It comes with this little lip right there. Hope you guys can see that. Just like so, there's that lip. Now that lip is going to meet up with this lower filter. Just like that. It's going to fit perfectly in there. And basically that's just a 1-inch spacer between the carb and the intake. But while I have all this off, we are going to be removing that breather hose right here that was connecting to the filter. Just right there. There's that original hose. Removing that. I don't know if you guys can see that. Right there is where the hose was connected, and that connected to the original air filter right there. But instead we're going to be pulling this out, as well as this grommet right here. Just like so. I'm going to be installing this Edelbrock breather right there. Right onto that valve cover. I think I was actually supposed to install that first and then push this in. Yeah, that's much easier. I'm just gonna move it around a little bit so it looks good. There we go. And now that that is done, I will be installing the spacer on the carburetor. You can see right here that there's actually an area to reconnect that hose from the valve cover, but I'm not gonna be doing that. So right now, as a quick fix, I'm actually grabbing some gaffer's tape and just duct taping right around there. I'm gonna come up with a better solution to take care of that. But for now, I'm just gonna be installing that. As you can see right there, the last person that uses K&N filter did the exact same thing. Now I got this thing, the filter was brand new. The guy he replaced the filter and then just sold it like this. But let's just make sure this goes on real quick. Beautiful, it fits perfectly, not making any contact with anything. So let's just tape this thing up. Alright guys, I know this is ghetto, this is not the proper way, but this is my vehicle, this isn't a customer's car. So for right now, it works. So let's get back up here and install the filter. Focus, there we go, alright. Drop this right there, awesome. Then we're going to grab our new filter, place that right there. Going to look good, and then place this right here. Now, luckily, this doesn't fit. I just realized that. That spacer is making it so that little screw up top isn't long enough. Okay, cool. So, that's our next problem. Oh, it's right there. Come on. Now the final thing that I'm going to be fixing tonight is right here where I'm pointing to. You can see, if we could use this. Right here, this is the linkage to downshift the transmission on full throttle. Now as you can see, there used to actually be bike cable that was wrapped around here and wrapped around here. I wasn't sure what this was, so I actually got this type of wire right here and secured it in a better way. And I actually just realized, I was speaking to my boss who has worked on these older cars, that this linkage is supposed to be connected right over here behind it, and what's supposed to be connected right here is your throttle return spring, which I have right in my hand right here. Let me hold it up for you guys and hopefully you can see it like that. Just right there. There was no throttle return spring on this vehicle, and I was driving and gas pedal has gotten stuck on me more than once. So what I'm going to do right now is actually fab my way and relocate this over here, and then put the throttle return spring where it's supposed to go, right here, and then mount it to the bracket right there. We are done for now. We have installed the new filter. Definitely need to get a longer bolt though so we can flip that around, but that has been installed. We've removed all that styrofoam. We have fixed the throttle body cable as well as the transmission linkage. We've also installed a Edelbrock valve cover breather and removed all that styrofoam from the hoses. I think I already said that. We're gonna clean things up, but definitely that is it for today. The vehicle should be driving much better now that I have fixed. Let me talk to you guys. Okay, I think you guys can see me. But yeah, hopefully this vehicle should be driving much better now that the gas pedal should be getting stuck and should actually release, which is really good. It should also be shifting a little bit better. We got that fixed up. The air filter may not really do much, I don't know. But yeah, most of the stuff today has been pushing progress further with this El Camino, making it a better daily driver vehicle and just a better, more reliable car. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys have a great day.